Good morning students, class 9th. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. Your topic is voice and this is its part 9th. This time take care about conversion of miscellaneous sentences, different rules and whatever the needful guidelines for understanding this voice I have stated earlier. This time I do some conversion before you and you have to follow this. I hope you are ready with your pen and notebook to write down the important thing whatever is needed for you. Just care here. First I do positive sentence. Positive sentence. Here it is. He gave me a pen. This is assertive and in positive form. Just care here. You can make me and a pen both as object, as subject of the sentence because both are here object. Write down first me in place of subject. If you will write it, then me will be I in nominative case. Nominative case of me is I, and after subject you have need of helping verb. As you see here, after subject there is second form of main verb here. That's why this is simple past, and you know that helping verb of simple past in passive is was or were. With I, use here was. I was. Now you have written here subject and helping verb. After helping verb, main verb is written, and main verb is here gave. Means V3 of give is given, give, gave, given. So in passive only third form of main verb is used. That's why you have to write here given. I was given. What given? A pen. And now use your subject of active as object, and then objective case of he is him. So write down here him. I was given a pen by him. Dear students, you can make a pen also subject. Write down here a pen. Now this one is also object. That's why you have made here subject of passive, a pen, and after this you have to take care about the use of verb. Second form of verb here it is. Means sentence belong to simple past tense. Helping verb is was. A pen was. And third form of main verb is given. A pen was given. And here it is me. You know it well. In previous slide I have stated you that there are two types of object, direct object and indirect object. Any person is indirect object, anything is direct object. So at the time to write indirect object you have to use two of your own. That's why write down here a pen was given to me by him. Means if there are two objects you can make any object as subject, and according to the tense of active voice use helping verb and use third form of main verb, and subject of active becomes object in passive with generally by. Now for negative sentence, take care here, nothing you have to change, only you have to be careful for the use of not here. Negative sentence, just write down here. My brother has not called you. My brother has not called you. Now take care here, there is a not, means sentence is negative, and object of the sentence is you. Make it subject, you. After subject, you know helping verb of passive is used. So you see here that the helping verb of this sentence is has, and the main verb is in third form, has, have plus V3, means this is present perfect tense here. So with you, helping verb have is used, you have. Now not is used after helping verb and before main verb. I have told you, in any sentence at the time to make negative, use not after helping verb and before main verb. So you have supplied here helping verb have. After this, write down not. You have not. Now you know that helping verb of passive is has been or have been. You have not been. Now use V3. You have not been called by my brother. I hope now you will use your not after one helping verb, and you will be able to write negative sentence in passive also. Rest rule as you do in positive, like that in negative also. Only use not after a single helping verb. Now I want to show some rules regarding to use interrogative sentence. Here take care, interrogative sentence as why has she given this reward? Now here it is, why is WH word, that will be remain in same way. Why we don't change WH word, only who becomes by whom and by whom becomes who, and the rest of the WH word is same, no change comes here. But after WH word we use helping verb, and as you see here, has plus V3 means present perfect tense it is. So why has, now you know that helping verb is used before the subject to make interrogative. So after has you have to supply here subject, and object of active is this reward, that will become subject. Why has this reward? Now use helping verb been. Why has this reward been given? Why has this reward been given by her? One more question. Did you like this? Now you know this will become subject. Tense is simple past. Helping verb of simple past is was, were. According to this, you have to use here was. Write down was. Was this? Was this liked by you? Dear students, today your time is going to be over, and I hope that now you are able to converge assertive sentence and interrogative sentence in positive and negative form, and next will be discussed later on. Thank you.